Serena asks, what do you do if a lead doesn't open up your first email? This is a great question. Now, Serena, first of all, you want to make sure that you're using an autoresponder. That is crucially important. You never want to send from a generic email provider. So if you don't have an autoresponder already, get one. Then once you get one, what you want to do is you want to set up your campaigns. You actually want to set up your campaigns in a way that when one of your leads opts in to your list, that they get sifted and sorted through. This is where segmentation comes in. And you got to make sure that you segment your list. Otherwise, if you don't, it's going to be hard for you to generate buyers off your list. You're just simply going to end up with a lot of leads that are taking up space. So don't email those leads that aren't opening your first email, because if you do that, if you email them more than twice a day, that's not going to be good for your deliverability, your open rates, and clicks. That's actually going to move you into the spam folder, and that's going to hurt your results. So be sure that you learn how to segment your campaigns so that your leads are getting sifted and sorted through. That way it makes everything easier for your business.